In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save conversation as HTML in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture any chat and package it as a neat HTML file you can keep, share, or archive. Start by opening the conversation you want to save. Make sure you're on the exact thread that contains all the messages you care about. If it's a long chat, take a moment to scroll through so everything loads on the page. This helps ensure that when you ask for the HTML, the entire exchange is captured just the way you see it. Next, move to the message box and make a clear request. Type a simple, direct prompt like, "Save this conversation as HTML." Keep it short and specific. The goal is to tell the assistant precisely what you want, the full conversation turned into an HTML file. Once you send that request, the assistant will generate the HTML and prepare a downloadable file for you. You'll typically see a prompt to download the file when it's ready. If you have preferences, include them right in that same prompt. Think of these as conditions that guide how your HTML will look. For example, you can say, "Save this conversation as HTML with timestamps," or "Include code blocks with proper formatting," or "Use a clean, readable layout." You might also specify a title to appear at the top, ask for a compact layout to reduce file size, or request that images and links remain intact. If you want only part of the conversation, add a condition like "Save only messages from today," or "Include everything from the first question about the report onward." Putting those details into your prompt helps the assistant tailor the file to your exact needs. After you send your request with any conditions, give it a moment to work. When the file is ready, download it and save it somewhere you'll remember, like your desktop or a dedicated folder. If the result isn't what you expected, just refine your prompt and ask again. You can adjust the title, formatting, or scope until it matches what you had in mind. That's all there is to it. Open the conversation, ask to save it as HTML, and, if needed, add your conditions right in the prompt. With this simple approach, you'll have a clean, portable HTML record of your chat ready whenever you need it.